Adobe licensing that we have at the Davis School District, and also how to easily convert PDFs to Word documents. First of all, in the Davis School District, each employee and student has access to 2 Adobe licenses. What that means is that you can download any Adobe product on 2 computers of your choosing. It doesn't matter. It can be home, it can be school, it can be your laptop, it can be your desktop. Any Adobe program that you want, you can just go to adobe.com and you can download it, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. Okay, so we're just going to go to adobe.com, which I'm here, and then I'm going to click sign in, and I'm going to sign in using my email address. Once I am signed in, it will say, welcome. So it automatically knows that I am part of the Adobe suite because I'm an employee of the Davis School District. Okay, then I'm going to click over on the side where it says apps, and this has all of the apps that you can download and have licenses for. You'll see that mine says download, and that's because I've already downloaded and used some licenses. Yours will say request access. All you have to do is click request access. It should take a couple seconds, and then it'll change to either download. It'll change to download. If it ends up changing to say to buy, once it's completely done and refreshed, refresh your screen, and then it should change to download so that you can download your licenses. Okay, the one that I'm going to show you is Adobe Acrobat. Okay, this is the app that we use to convert PDFs into Microsoft Office documents. Now, one thing I do want you to notice when we're on this screen is you'll see these little icons. This means that you can download it as a desktop app. So anywhere where you see like a computer monitor, you can download to the desktop app. This right here means you can actually download it to a tablet. This is a tablet or a phone. Okay. If you want After Effects, it's only desktop. So it kind of tells you what type of app you can have or where you can use it. And if you see this one, you can see that you can use it on the web. It gives you a web version. So I'm going to do my Adobe Acrobat, and I'm going to do the web version. Now what's great for this is if you have students that want to convert from a PDF to a Word document, because they can't download the full version of Adobe Acrobat, they can actually use the web version. So I'm going to show you the web version. It's pretty simple. I'm just going to click web, and then first make sure that you're on the download, that it says download here, and then you can click on the web. If you don't, it'll tell you you don't have access to it. So you have to get the license first. Okay, so I'm just going to click web, and then I'm going to click open in browser. And then I have all of these things that I can do. It says I can convert to a PDF. It turns anything into a PDF. This one you can export a PDF, and this one converts PDFs to Microsoft Office files. Okay, so this is the one that I think a lot of people want the most. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then it says just drag and drop a file that you want to have converted from a PDF to a Microsoft Word document. I'm going to go find my document, which is this right here. And I'm just going to click and drag it onto my area, and then it says export to a PDF or export a PDF, and then you can choose if you want it to be Word, PowerPoint, Excel, or an image. I want this one to be Microsoft Word document, so I'm going to say convert to DOCX, which is the file extension for Microsoft Word. Once you do that, you'll see that I now have this as I can see it, okay? If I click on it, it doesn't allow me to do anything. There's some things I want you to be aware of. So you can click edit, and it's kind of weird. It shows that it is in Microsoft Word. Okay, it says Microsoft Word up here, and it's got all of the stuff from Microsoft Word, and I can go in and I can edit. Okay. I want you to notice though that you're still in Adobe Acrobat. If you actually want it to go into Microsoft Word and you want to work inside Microsoft Word, we're going to exit out of that and go to right here, instead of clicking edit, this is where we were before, I'm sorry, on the screen before, instead of clicking edit to open it up in Adobe Acrobat but use it as a Word document, we are actually going to click on this icon right here, which will download it. Okay, so I'm just going to say I want it to go to my downloads. For me, I want it to go to my downloads because I don't actually want this. But you can choose where you want it to go, and then I'm going to click save. And you'll see that it says that it's done. If I click on that, it will open it up in Microsoft Word. And now, just like it's a Microsoft Word thing, I can type in it, I can edit it, I can highlight it, I can do all kinds of stuff to it. Okay, it becomes basically a Microsoft Word document. And then you can save it and update it, put it wherever you want. And that is kind of how you can convert a PDF to a Word document. To do a Word to PDF, you just go File, Save As. And then right here, instead of wanting a Word document, you save it as a PDF, and then you can export it as a PDF. Okay, it's kind of the backwards way of doing it. Other than that, I do want to kind of show you that you do have licenses again to Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe Express. Adobe Express is online, it's great. You have access to all of these, and so do your students. You have 2 licenses again, and if it's a desktop app, it will not work on the students' laptops. I just want you to be aware that it's a program that's way too big. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know.